Hello folks, you may have gone on to AutoTrader recently after installing the AT Price Tracker plugin and been greeted with this screen. It speaks for itself, but you can no longer use that extension on AutoTrader simply because the AT Price Tracker plugin shows ads for other people, namely 𝘾𝙃𝙉𝙉𝙉𝙉𝙍 on AutoTrader, and AutoTrader have said, no, you can't do that. I get where they're coming from. I sort of assume AT Price Tracker will come back as a paid extension at some point. They'll have to rethink the way they're doing things. Lots of people have been using it and it's really useful. I liked it. I thought that was the end of that. However, all-round good guy and viewer 𝘲𝙉𝙉 has just sent me a link to this one called MotorWatch. So I've just installed that Chrome extension. I'm going to go and switch off AT Price Tracker and we'll see what this looks like. Okay, so that took me all about 3 seconds to install. I've just thrown in some random details from Mercedes-Benz C-Class. This is the first one that comes up. It's with Big Motoring World. It was put up for sale on the 22nd of December 2023. Today is the 16th of Feb. And it's been dropped from £18,200 down to £15,900. So that price has dropped by 5% or £2,300 in just 2 months. So as you can see, this is massively useful. It's doing basically the same job that AT Price Tracker was. You can actually see it directly here on the search page. If we go into the car itself, it comes up at the top. You can also stick in the reg number and get the MOT history on the car as well, which is pretty useful, is it not? So I'm going to put a link to that in the video description and pin it as a top comment for you. It's just a quick video, this one. As you know, before you buy any used car, you should do a V-check on it. The search is very comprehensive. It costs a fraction of what some of the others do, including 𝘾𝙃𝙉𝙉𝙉𝙉𝙍 that we mentioned earlier. You're looking at a tenner for the top level of search. It will see if it's an ex-taxi, if it's been imported, exported. You'll see if it's been a write-off, if it's got outstanding finance, but you'll also see if it's been an unrecorded write-off, if it's gone through a salvage auction, and quite often you'll get the pictures of the car in its unrepaired state. So I think it's worth its weight in gold, and for that reason there's also a link to that in the video description. Obviously this is a really useful tool when you're searching for a car, and it's free and it takes 10 seconds to install. So I would say now's probably the time to disable your AT Price Tracker because you won't be able to view AutoTrader if you've still got that enabled. And have a look at this one. I mean, simplicity itself. MotorWatch, folks. You also see they say it works with Kazoo, AutoTrader, PistonHeads, 𝘲𝙃𝙉𝙉𝙉𝙉𝙍, MCN, and many more. They're not sponsoring this video. I'm just bringing this to you from the kindness of my heart. Thanks for watching. Give it a thumbs up. See you on the next one.